do it. Okay, so take down. So take down. Range Kutta method. That is the name of that one. Range Kutta method. In short, we say call this one as RK method. Range Kutta method. Range Kutta method. In short, RK method, both are same. Remember the names. Okay. So here listen. My previous problems what we did using y0 we got y1, using y1 we got y2 and so on. So in RK method, what we are going to do is that we are going to find the difference value between y0 and y1. Okay. What is the difference value between x0 and x1? How we denote the difference? No? Difference in the x1 minus x0. What is that for our problem? Not 1. And the simple code x1 minus x0 difference. That is nothing but our h value. Okay, using x1 minus x0 we can find the difference between x values. So in RK method what we are going to do is that we are going to find what will the difference between y1 and y0. Using that difference value we are going to calculate what is our y1. Okay, y0 க்கு y1 க்கு என்ன வேரியேஷன் ன்றதை நம்ம கண்டுபிடிப்போம். அப்ப y1 எப்படி கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம்? y0 plus and the difference value will give you y1. Is or no? Yes. 2 4. What is the interval difference, ma? What is the interval difference? 2. இப்போ 2 plus 2 போட்டா நமக்கு 4 வருமா இந்த லாஜிக். ஓகே, சோ இது ரெண்டுத்துக்கான டிஃபரன்ஸ் என்னங்கறது RK மெத்தட் பிரகாரம் கண்டுபிடிக்க போறோம். அந்த டிஃபரன்ஸ் y0 ஓட ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா you will get y1. If you
h plus y0
h0, h is for x. We are going to find the difference now for y values.
இது ஈக்குவல் மட்டுமா அன்ஈக்குவல்?
Here there is no equal or unequal, we are in differential equation. Okay. Here we don't split the data, we are solving differential equation. Okay, இங்க வந்து mostly நம்ம எல்லாமே என்ன பண்ணுவோம்னா ஈக்குவலா நம்மளே கன்சிடர் பண்ணுவோம். இந்த h value ஒரு டிஃபரன்ஸ் மாறும். We fix h value based on that we split the various x values. So as we said it may be for equal equivalent. We don't consider for unequal. Okay, to find y2 means what we have to do is that we have to find what is the interval difference between y1 and y2. Then we have to add that value to y1. You will get what is your y2. So that difference will be denoted by the symbol del y. Okay, this is the difference between both the values. So it will be called as y0 for y1 and y0. For this it will be said to be del y1. The interval difference between y2 and y1. So if we add both means we will get what is the corresponding y2. If we add this two, we will get what is the corresponding y1. Okay, to find this del y1 we have a RK formula. Okay, so take down. So to find that del y, we are going to find 4 different k values now. Using that k values only we are going to find what is our del y. So note down. K1 will be equal to h into f of x comma y. General formula. K1 will be equal to h into f of x comma y. K2 is equal to h into f of x plus h by 2 comma y plus k1 by 2. F of x plus h by 2 comma y plus k1 by 2. K3 is equal to h into f of x plus h by 2 comma y plus k2 by 2. Then k4 will be equal to h into f of x plus h comma y plus k3. X plus h comma y plus k3.
y2
y2
by 2
by 2
by 2
then del 1, the interval difference value will be equal to 1 by 6 of k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. So this is the formula to get the difference value. So generally we can say yn plus 1 will be equal to yn plus del yn. I have given it just simply as x and y mark. So you replace it by the corresponding previous x values. To find yn plus 1 means we will be taking the help of yn. So you replace all x and y to be xn and yn. So to find y1 means you will replace all x and y to be x0 y0. If you are going to find y2 means replace it as x1 y1. Then you have to relate to the formula. Okay, so this is the formula to find the unknown value using arbitrary. Okay, the differentiation பண்ணமாட்டே எதுமே கிடையாதுமா. Just the f of x, y கொஸ்டின்ல இருக்கு. அதல பாயிண்ட்ஸ் மட்டும் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் பண்ணினா you will find your unknown value. Okay, noted everyone? Yes. So take it out. We will start with the problems. So right, using RK method of fourth order, using RK method of fourth order, solve dy by dx is equal to y square minus x square by y square plus x square. Y square minus x square by y square plus x square, then y of 0 equal to 1 at x equal to 0.2. Y of 0 equal to 1 at x equal to 0.2. So preliminary steps are same now. You have to identify what is x0, what is y0, what is h, and what is the unknown you are supposed to find. Can you identify what is x0? 0. What is y0? 1. What is the next x value you have to find? x1. x1 is equal to 0.2. எதை உன்னை கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லிருக்காங்களோ you assume that one to be your x1. Okay, so start the solution. Given x0 equal to 0, y0 equal to 1, x1 is equal to 0.2. Can you identify what will be the h mark? H. What will be the h value for our problem? 0.2. How will you define h? x1 minus x0. Okay, so 0.2 minus 0 will give you 0.2. Okay, well, next you have to identify what is the f of x comma y. What is f of x comma y? This f of x comma y as you can dy by dx. dy by dx is another rotation into y dash. Here first derivative of கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ that will be f of x comma y. So given f of x comma y is equal to y square minus x square by y square plus x square. Okay, well. So now next step, write the formula to find the unknown. So write. Have you written up this? So write by RK method of fourth order, by RK method of fourth order, by RK method of fourth order, K1 is equal to, you are going to find Y1 only, right? Yes or no? So replace all x and y to be x0 y0. So K1 will be h into f of x0 comma y0. So substitute all the values now. H value is 0.2. What is f of x0 comma y0? In your f of x comma y, replace x and y to be x0 and y0. So for our problem, what is x0? 0. Y0 1. Substitute that. So 1 square minus 0 square divided by 1 square plus 0 square. X naught is 0 and y naught is 1. What will you answer? 0.2. K2 h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k1 by 2. Substitute values carefully. 0.2 into f of x naught value is 0 plus h value is 0.2 by 2. Y naught is 1 plus k1. K1 value is 0.2 by 2. Simplify 0.2 into f of 0.2 by 2. You should not depend always in a calculator. Now 0.2 by 2 in a 0.1. So again next one 0.2 by 2 will give you 0.1. 1 plus 0.1 will give you 1.1. Length another calculator namage kodadu okay va konja yosi varale yosi. So now what you have to do, instead of x and y what you are having, first value is x, second value is y. So you enna pannuva formula la instead of x you replace it as 0.1 and instead of y you replace it as 1.1. Can you understand now? You are going to find the new x and y values. Then substitute that in a given f of x comma y. Adha substitute pannu. F of x comma y la x is 0.1, y is 1.1. Substitute. So 0.2 into 1.1 square minus 0.1 square divided by 1.1 square plus 0.1 square. Find what is the K2. You can skip the unnecessary steps now. I'm just writing it elaborately for your sake. Zero point 196. K2, no? K2. Everybody same answer? Yes. So now similarly write your formula for K3 and find what is K3. So K3 equal to h into f of x naught plus h by 2 comma y naught plus k2 by 2. Same logic, substitute 0.2 into f of x naught value is 0 plus h value is 0.2 by 2 comma y naught is 1 plus k2, the unit found out value 0.1967 by 2. Find what are the new values. So 0.2 into f of 0.1. Find what is the y value. 0.098. Now what you are having, instead of x you replace it as 0.1. Instead of x you replace it as 0.1. Instead of y this value. Substitute in your formula 0.2 into 1.0984 square minus 0.1 square. Find what is the answer. Same answer.
0.19.
What are you doing with the book now? They ask you to bring the book. Ask you to listen only. Where is the calculator? வாங்க நம்ம சொல்றது தெரியாதா? நான் ஒண்ணு இவ குமார் சொல்றேன். Understood of everyone? Yes? Should I proceed with K4? So right, K4 equal to H into f of x naught plus h comma y naught plus k3. Substitute the values. H value is 0.2, f of x naught is 0 plus 0.2, comma y naught is 1 plus k3, 0.1967. So 0.2 into f of 0.2, comma 1.1967. So now in f of x comma y, replace x as 0.2 and y as 1.1967. Find what is the answer? What were you getting?
0.203.
What about you?
0.20.
Have you input the data in the calculator? Point 2 should be multiplied at the last, not at the first. Same answer or different answer?
K4.
K3. He said K3 is
First K3 is 0.203. K4 is 0.28.
K3 is right. What is your K3 answer? I think that's right. Because when you see that K2y is in 0.19, suddenly there should not be a variation. Always the same logic in your numerator. Okay, wow. எப்போமே நம்ம numeratorல அந்த லாஜிக்கை யூஸ் ஒன்னு இன்க்ரீசிங் பண்ணா இன்க்ரீசிங்லே போணும், ஒரு டிக்ரீசிங்னா டிக்ரீசிங்லே வரணும். அதாவது சடன் இன்க்ரிமெண்டோ சடன் டிக்ரிமெண்டாவும் இருக்கணும். Getting answer? Getting or not? That's step 1. So you input the data in the calculator, do it carefully, ma'am. 1.0984 square minus 0.1 square divided by 1.0984 square plus 0.1 square. Put like this, that is in one single line. Then you will be getting an answer, multiply that answer with 0.2. So K4 is 0.1891. After finding K4, you have to find the increment value, del y. Should we continue the increment? So right, del y naught equal to 1 by 6 of k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. Since we are finding y1, I am replacing this to be y naught. Substitute and find what is del y naught. So 1 by 6 of k1 value is 0.2 plus 2 into 0.1967 plus 2 into 0.1967 plus k4 is 0.1891. Find what is del y now. Five nine or a approximation, no?
0.1960.
Others take your answers. Did you get del y naught? Same answer or different? Same answer. So then find y1. y1 is given by y naught plus del y naught. So what is the y naught value for our problem?
0.19.
That is del y naught. What is y naught? 1. So 1 plus this value. What will be your answer? 1.1960. So that is your y1 value. Easy or difficult, no? Easy now. Again the main problem is that input the data in a calculator properly. That is where you are getting the mistakes. So I am able to give you another problem now. But for this problem I am not going to go on the board. Okay, now I want everyone to find individually each values. Each one should give me the answers individually. Okay, wow. So take down. Find y of 0.7 and y of 0.8. Find y of 0.7 and y of 0.8. Given that y dash equal to y minus x square, comma y of 0.6 is equal to 1.7379 by using RK method of fourth order. By using RK method of fourth order, taking h equal to 0.1. Taking h is equal to 0.1. If everyone written 10 minutes, we can start a discussion. Everyone written? Write this data, sir. This is enough. This is enough to write question. Those who know, proceed with the problem now. I am waiting for the others to complete. Should we start the discussion? Okay. What is x naught given for you?
0.6.
0.6. இது வரைக்கும் 0 0 னை பார்த்திருந்தீங்க இல்ல 1 வந்து அப்படிதான் இருக்கிற அவசியம் கிடையாது. It can be any numerical value. Okay. So what is the x naught value? 0.6. And what is the corresponding y naught value? On a given that h value given. So given h is 0.1. Since it is given, we decide the next x value using h. Okay. Now you should know what is x1. Okay. x naught oda h la add pannu. What is 0.6 plus 0.1? 0.7. Okay. In your question, what is supposed to find? 0.7. As well as you will find 0.8. So go for the next x value x2. So you have to find what is y1 as well as what is y2. You have to find two values. Okay. What is f of x comma y? Y dash. So you are given f of x comma y to be equal to y minus x square. Simple function. Okay. Now I want everyone to solve it individually. You know the formula. You know the formula. Do it individually. Don't look into other notebook. Any doubts will get it clarified immediately. Write your formula. Start with K1.